What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Native Instruments latest release. This one is called Ireland, and this one I'm just completely blown away. And the reason why I'm blown away for this one, because it's just so realistic, and I don't think I've ever heard something so real as this one. It has so much to offer, and I want to show you some of those patches today, if not all of them. I don't want to make this video lengthy. This is just something that if you're a composer, producer, it's just something that you have to check out. So without further ado, let's get into some of my favorite patches. I have them starred here, and then I'll show you some of the presets in here. So let's go through them. And I actually want to start with this one right here. It's just very articulate. So let's go through some of these here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that as my favorite because that one was dope. And let's just show you what this thing has to offer here. It just kind of reminds me of like watching a Harry Potter or some type of Lord of the Rings type of movie. I mean, you're just hearing almost every nuance of just the instruments. It's just all the plucks and all the mouth noises. Like you could really, if you listen, you have a good audio interface, you can just really put some headphones on and just really listen to what these instruments are doing. And even though they sound kind of similar, they all have their own individual texture. And that's what I really like about these instruments here. So let's go ahead and load up this one here. It's just impressive. This one's more staccato. Just amazing. Absolutely love this one right here. Check it out. So I just want to skip ahead a little bit just to show you some more instruments here. Just incredible. So I hope you guys got some inspiration from this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And also, more importantly, go hit that link in the description below if you are interested in this Native Instruments release called Ireland. Hope I inspired you guys. Again, thank you for tuning in. It's your boy, Young Fizz. We will see you on the next video. We out.